Hi guys, good morning. Today we're doing a metallic painting again, and this time on a bigger canvas, so it's 30 by 30. And we're doing metallics with red. It's a darker red, so let's see what that will make. I'm a bit worried that this red will go a bit pink, but we'll see, and that's pretty as well. Let's just torch the air bubbles out real quick. Oh yeah, and the power pour is also coming, guys, and it's gonna be a Dutch pour on a big canvas. So I ordered some 24 by 24 inches and 28 by 28 inches. So when they arrive, we're gonna do it immediately. Let's see, I'm gonna start with the red. Let's go for bronze. Gold. Copper. Let's go for red again, just a little bit. Van Dyke brown. And this bronze. All right. Just like that. Let's blow the white over this bottle. Yeah, I was too scared this would happen. It's pink. But this is not a good composition, is it? Okay, I'm not really liking this red, that it turns so pink. So instead of the red, I'm gonna use the, what is it? Violet red. Something like brown. Let's go for bronze. Copper. Just trying to play a little bit with these colors. So I have no clue if this is gonna work out. I'm gonna pour white around this. Okay, there's a lot of air bubbles. Okay, let's try again. Blow it over. And let's blow this out. Yeah. Okay, yeah, because of course I let the other design under here, so this is not pretty and white, and also this is not pretty and white, but this is beautiful. Okay, so let's see. because it has a lot of paint on here. And that needs to go, because this is way too much. And of course it will dry flat, but this is really a lot of paint. So I don't know, so I don't want to take the risk here. And also I just want these parts beautiful white, and this will help so I won't have to retouch it later. Okay, need to torch the white. You know, if you have a lot of air bubbles in your white or in your paint and you do not torch it, it makes little holes in your canvas when it dries. So that's not something I want. But if you want that your white doesn't have any air bubbles, then make it in the morning and go painting in the afternoon, because these air bubbles will sink and will disappear over time. So it's not a deep red, and it is with pink, like I said, and we did it over again, but this turned out pretty. Alright, this painting needed some saving. Yeah, I'm very happy I did a new puddle on top of this one and made this gorgeous piece, because I'm very happy with it. And if you guys have that as well, that you just didn't make a beautiful one or you're not happy with it, don't overwork it and start over. And sometimes you can just do it on top of the other one. But if you're gonna use different colors, and then please swipe it so you can really start over again. But this went perfect, so I'm very happy. I hope you are too. And yeah, I really need to try this one again with red, but another color of red so it stays red. But it's difficult when you use a white base, of course. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.